Yeah, good evening, students. So, starting with the infix to postfix conversion, we already know that infix notation is stored in infix array. So, if you see array, it is an array of characters because we have character as well as operators. So, from 0, since it is an array, we always know that it starts from 0th index. So, from 0 till 19th. So last character will be the null character, which indicates that is the end of the end of the string. Now coming to postfix array, we require this array to store the converted postfix notation. Now coming to the symbol here, symbol is a character which stores the symbol every time we encounter, and stack is an array of characters which is used to store the operators. Now postfix, again as I told, to store the converted postfix notation. Now starting initially, that is initial step, let us include or push hash into the stack. Right? So this is my first step. So in the second step, that is, I am going to, what is the first character to be encountered here? That is open parenthesis. So we know that whenever we have an open parenthesis, we need to consider three things in mind. 4 steps we need to consider. That is, first one is, whenever you see open parenthesis, you just need to push in stack. Push in stack. And second case, whenever you see open parenthesis, you need to pop from the stack and store it in postfix array until when? Until you encounter open parenthesis. Right? Once open parenthesis is seen, you will just pop, but not store in postfix. Okay. And third case, whenever you see any of the operators, it could be plus, minus, division, star or cap. So we are writing a logic where this fits in top of the stack. We know the precedence, so we should know when we encounter these operators, we should know what is the precedence of these characters. So from a program perspective, we have given for cap as 4, and for division, multiplication and modulus has been given 3, and plus, minus as 2, and hash, open parenthesis and closed parenthesis as 1. This we need to remember from programming perspective. So now we have to see. This I'll explain while I write the program. So these are the different cases. One more case is when you see an operand, okay, either A, B, or it could also be number 3, 2, 1, then we directly store in postfix. Okay, these are the rules we need to know. Now, coming back to our symbol. So first we encountered open as per the rule. What it says? The rule says directly push into the stack. Now next is A. The moment we say A, directly store it in postfix. Next is minus. Now minus is compared it with top of the stack. So minus, if you see here, minus has 2, right, and open parenthesis as 1. So now what happens is, now this is in, right, precedence of symbol should be compared with precedence of top of the stack, right? So what is top of the stack? That is 2. This is 1 and this is 2. So 2 is greater. If it is greater, if precedence of the symbol encountered is greater than precedence of top of the stack, then we are pushing into the stack. Clear? Now third. Now which is the third one? Again, open parenthesis. So what did we say? Open parenthesis, when we see, we will not compare anything, directly push it into the stack. Next, fourth. So we have B. So B, directly push in the stack. Fifth, star. Now star is compared with top of the stack. What do we have top of the stack? We have open parenthesis. So we know that the precedence of star is 3 and precedence of top of the stack, this one is 1. So definitely it is greater, isn't it? So we'll directly push into the stack. So see, if you see here, when you compare, precedence of star is 3 and precedence of this one is 1. So 3 is greater than 1. So we know if it is greater, directly what we do? We push into the stack. What is next? Next encountered is 6, that is 3. CC. Directly we are going to store it in stack. What is the seventh one? So seventh one is minus. Now let me write here hash open minus open star. Now this is compared with precedence of minus is 2 and precedence of star is 3. So this is less than or equal to. If it is less than or equal to, what I am supposed to do? I have to pop and store. So ABC star. Now what is the remaining one? I have hash open parenthesis minus open parenthesis. Now again this is compared with open parenthesis, right? So minus has 2 and this has open parenthesis has 1. Definitely it is greater. If it is greater, what I am supposed to do? Directly push into the stack, right? So 8th symbol is encountered is D. So now we will see D. D, directly what we are supposed to do? A, B, C star D. What is the 9th one we are supposed to encounter is division. So division, again we'll compare hash open minus, then division is compared with this. So division has definitely 3 and minus has less, that is 2. Definitely it is greater. If it is greater, what I am supposed to do is I'll directly push into the stack. What is the 10th symbol to be encountered? 10th is E. E directly store in postfix. The 11th symbol is cap. That is, you can also have arrow mark like this, which means it is power. So this power will be compared with top of the stack. So power has always greater. So directly you are going to push it into the stack. So now coming to after cap, what we have F. So F directly we are going to store. So what we will be storing is, earlier we had ABC star DE. So ABC star DE. Now one additional is F. Now we will see what is next. Now we see closed parenthesis. Now when we see closed parenthesis, let me write whatever the status of our stack. Hash open parenthesis minus open parenthesis again minus you will pop all until you find open parenthesis, right? You saw the closed, so now we are going to pop each and every operators. Now pop, next this also you will pop, you are going to pop even minus. Now this you will pop, but you will not store it in postfix. So now what is the current location? Hash open parenthesis minus, that's all. Correct? Now what is the symbol left out is, that is star. So again star will be compared with top of the stack. Definitely it is greater, so you are going to push it into the stack. Now G, next encountered is G. G means directly you are going to push into the stack. Next encountered is closed parenthesis again. So we know that the moment we see the closed parenthesis, we are supposed to pop star and we are supposed to pop minus, and we will pop this but we will not store. So what will be my current, this one, A, B, C, star, D, E, F. So star and minus. So my current location status will be, status of the stacks is left only with hash. Right? Now which is left now? We are left with star. So now let us see star. Now when you see star compared with hash, definitely it is greater, pushed directly into the stack. The last symbol encountered is, that is H. So H, when we say, we directly store it in the stack. So it is A, B, C, star, D, E, F, minus H. Now what is remaining in the stack? I am left out only with the star. So since we have encountered null, so whatever is left out in the stack should be popped. So only star is left, so pop it and store at the end. That's all.